Hi, my name is Nishchal Kumar, and it is October 25th, 2019. I live in Mequon, Wisconsin, and some of my hobbies include watching football and basketball. I like playing the piano. I like playing tennis for fun. I like playing golf. Um, I also watch a lot of movies and TVs, so those are some of my hobbies that I enjoy. Um, my family includes my mother, my father, and I have a younger sister who is 22 years old. Um, in terms of occupation, I don't have an occupation. I'm an undergrad student. So I'm a full-time student at Concordia University, Wisconsin, which is in my hometown of Mequon, Wisconsin. So the reasons I'm taking this course is because I plan to apply to medical school. I plan to apply to both DO and MD schools alike, and I am taking this course because I have not fulfilled my biochemistry requirement. That is a pretty big prerequisite for a lot of medical schools. I was unable to fulfill it in time at my undergraduate university. Um, and because I am unable to take it before I plan to apply, because I would have to take it this fall, and then my grades wouldn't, be available to be submitted on AMCAS before I plan to apply, and I plan to apply in the coming weeks, in like the next few weeks. So I'm taking this course online to fulfill my biochem requirement in a different way than I would if I were to take it at my usual undergraduate university. So thanks for listening, and I look forward to this class.